Following the completion of a 30-kilometer stretch of fencing along the Indo-Myanmar border in Manipur, as claimed by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, preparation for construction of an additional 131.35 kilometers along Kamjong and Ukhrul district has begun. AEE Pratik Sachin, officer commanding of the 84 Road Construction Company, Brtf, has written a letter to concerned district administration and security forces on this significant development. The letter from Brtf maintained that 84 Road Construction Company, GREF, has been assigned the responsibility for preparing a detailed project report, DPR, for fencing at the old border pillar 6 to border pillar number 110 in Chasad, Kamjong region, which is 20.25 kilometers long, and further from border pillar 110 to 116, which is 26.10 kilometers long in Chasad, Kamjong region, and another 30.30 kilometers of fencing from border pillar number 116 to 124 in the same region. The road construction company has also been given responsibility to prepare the DPR of border pillar 124 to 130 in Ukhrul district, which covers 54.70 kilometers. The survey will cover a total distance of only 131.35 kilometers out of the 398 total kilometers that Manipur shares border with Myanmar, mainly in Naga inhabited districts, leaving out the 236.65 kilometers in districts mostly inhabited by Kuki community. AEE officer Pratik Sachin also appealed to the headquarters of the 10th Sector Assam Rifles and SP Kamjong along Deputy Commissioner Kamjong to provide necessary assistance and security to the survey team so that they can carry out ground survey and data collection without any hindrance from concerned villagers or locals.